Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds JLab with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, or if you haven't, just just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings, and after that open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. And now it should enter to pairing mode automatically, and we should see it at the device list. Just click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!